Let's drink freshly squeezed oranges. So this is the machine. You have to push the green button. Then the price of this is $5.99. I paid the amount. Now let's see the process. So these are the freshly squeezed oranges. These are all squeezed by the machine, like a vending machine. And now this juice is poured in the glass. After the juice of the glasses is full, the lid of the glass is automatically put, and then we have to collect it. This is a 360 ml orange juice freshly squeezed, and definitely you should try it. It's on the Metro Town station now. Enjoy.